Concerns are being raised about a growing public health issue affecting residents in Sydenham, St. Catherine. The Sydenham Citizens Association alleges that several restaurants along Old Harbour Road have been disposing of waste in an abandoned canal in the community.
Right, see how deep it is right here? This is how deep it is. Approximately 18 inches down. And this has been here for many years. So we had made the initiative, we wrote to the municipal council in 2018, 2020, and recently 2026 because of the issue we are having right here.
Residents have been forced to endure persistent foul odor and an increase in mosquito breeding since 2018. This is due to the buildup of wastewater in the area.
Some of the major issues the community faces is the stench, especially at night, that arises from use of the canal. And also further down we have the Sydenham Health Center, and that stench affects the health center a lot. Also mosquitoes and fly.
The residents are now calling for urgent intervention. Jobs are coming as the government ramps up efforts to turn the cannabis industry into a major employment engine for Jamaicans. New amendments are set to expand hiring, formalize small farmers, and widen access to the sector under the oversight of the Cannabis Licensing Authority. More in this report. In a move aimed at transforming Jamaica's cannabis sector into a major job creator, the Cannabis Licensing Authority (CLA) will lead implementation of new measures, including streamlined licensing. State Minister in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delano Sivride, said the changes are expected to create jobs across cultivation, processing, and research. Roles such as trimmers, packagers, and extraction technicians are projected to expand as the industry grows.
We also understand that the success of this industry must be inclusive. Small farmers, traditional cultivators, and local communities must have a seat at the table, full stop. Our policies are designed to ensure that the benefits of this industry are widely shared and that no one is left behind. Education and research remain central to our approach. By supporting scientific study and public awareness, we aim to unlock the full medicinal, therapeutic, research, and industrial potential of cannabis, whilst ensuring responsible use and informed decision-making.
He says traditional farmers will be integrated into the legal market, giving them access to income, financing, and formal opportunities. The move is also expected to boost rural employment and strengthen local economies.
The CLA, of course, as I said, stands ready, and we look ahead. Our vision for Jamaica's medicinal cannabis industry is one that is fully mature, globally competitive, and deeply integrated into our national development strategy. And over the next 5 to 10 years, we will see an industry that is not only exporting high quality Jamaican cannabis products to regulated markets around the world, but one that is also driving rural transformation, scientific research, and innovation in wellness, pharmaceuticals, and medicinal tourism.
Opportunities are anticipated beyond farming, including logistics, retail, and wellness services. The government says strong regulatory oversight will remain in place to protect compliant operators.
We envision a growing sector that attracts visitors seeking regulated wellness experiences, research engagement, culturally rooted therapeutic offerings, further strengthening Jamaica's position as a distinctive destination in the global wellness economy. And at the same time, we anticipate stronger participation from small farmers and community-based enterprises, supported by a streamlined, efficient regulatory system, alongside a thriving ecosystem of local entrepreneurs.
It's time for a break. Stay with us. More stories when we return. Welcome back to the Midday News. Several businesses were destroyed in an early morning fire in Glendon, St. James. Firefighters say they received the call sometime after 3 a.m. When they arrived, the tire shop at the location was engulfed in flames. And it's now time for the Business Minute.
The Development Bank of Jamaica says its interventions helped to create or support 193 new businesses during the 2024-2025 financial year. The bank also reported that 341 micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises benefited from its capacity building programs during the period. In addition, some $11.3 billion in loans were disbursed, while total investments reached $39.8 billion. Meanwhile, the DBJ has launched a $10 billion M5 business recovery loan facility to assist MSMEs impacted by Hurricane Melissa. Under the program, businesses can access loans of up to $50 million over a period of up to 10 years at an interest rate of 8% per annum. Further afield, fishermen in a Mexican coastal community are struggling to make a living. They're feeling the impacts of a massive oil spill that happened over a month ago off the southern coast of the state of Veracruz. The spill also spread into several nature reserves since it was first reported in early March. Mexico's president maintains that the cleanup is under control. However, some environmental groups are accusing the government of not being honest about what's going on. For the Business Minute, I'm Prince Moore.
Thanks, Prince. It's now time for the top regional and international stories.
In the region, the United Nations is welcoming reports that the Dominican Republic will reopen its airspace to Haiti, restoring flights as early as next month. UN spokesman Stéphane Dujarric says the move will help aid agencies deliver staff and supplies. The decision follows a joint agreement between both countries, the first in over 2 years. The airspace was closed in 2024 due to heightened insecurity in Haiti. And on the international scene, Pakistan has placed its capital Islamabad and the neighboring city of Rawalpindi on high security alert ahead of expected talks between the United States and Iran. The move comes as a ceasefire is set to expire on Wednesday, with US officials, including Vice President J.D. Vance, expected in Islamabad. An Iranian advisor is warning that any US, quote, miscalculation could trigger a strong response, possibly extending beyond the region. Meanwhile, Iran has not confirmed whether it will take part in the talks. And those were the top regional and international stories. I'm Aliyah Bryant.
Thank you, Alia. We head to a quick break. When we come back, we'll have your midday sports report.